Hi guys, how are you doing? So right now today, it's the discussion would be for 7th Jan, that is Tuesday. So there's a lot of data that is expected. We do have like a CHF, Swiss CPI that is coming. Most probably the data would be remaining the same around here. That is like minus 0.1%, and on the other hand, at 10 a.m., that is the Eastern Standard Time for the New York time, we would be having some of the data that is coming for ISM, that is PMI, and there's a job opening data as well, and we would be having the CPI yearly specifically for the Australian dollar that isn't much different. So that's kind of like a quick review of the Tuesday that is coming. We do have like Wednesday that is really important, as well as on the Friday we do have like NFP, one of the highest uh, movement that we can ever expect. So this is actually the current scenario that is we are looking at. And there's also a FOMC meeting that would be held on Wednesday. So Tuesday is also quite important, quite productive if we can actually take the utility of it. So let's move and understand like how the market is functioning and what actually happened. There has been like the holidays which I've taken, and after coming back after the new year, now it's a proper time to work. So you see right here, the price was actually like stuck here for quite a long, and there was like a pull breakout that happened from this point, formation of a peak formation low right here, and you can see the evening star right here. And after that the price actually broke out, and after breaking out of the price reached to this level, and after that price came back, uh, even like breaking these levels all around here, that were like actually the it could be a support right here, but it actually kind of like broke it. It also broke even this support right here. So anyway, price came back exactly to the level of this demand zone, which is right here. And after formation of demand zone right here, the price actually like touched this level, and after that there was like a v-shaped pullback right here. And right now this is the current structure in DXY. What could be the next plan? It can be like it could be like really simple in the movement, that if actually the price actually break out of this structure like that, we can expect a move formation of a double top right here. On the other hand, if the price continues on the downside, the price can be like seen around these levels again. And if there's a break on the further side, the price can go on the downside like that. So let's see how the formation of this day actually occurs. So most probably like the way the price has like broken out of this level around here, we can expect certainly some kind of move towards the downside as well, if this is actually like a good selling momentum right here, or maybe like the price would like go on the upper side like that, and then get some reaction or rejection around from that level. So these are the different kind of like movement scenarios that we are looking at. So USD CAD actually like was in this intense range right here. There was a breakout that actually happened, or you can consider this as like a zone right here. Anyway, it's the same thing. So price actually broke out of this level, the pull back right to the exact this level, and now price can actually like come back down there like that. Most probably like this is what I actually like interpreted as. And in that regard, let's see that how price actually forms this range around here, and how price actually reacts around this point, and then we can actually take some positions. So but the breakout that actually like happened around here is quite legit, and again price went back up to this level around here and then got rejected. So let's see now on the third side, we can see right here like there was a breakout from here, there was a breakout on this level, and there was a breakout on this level. And after breaking out, we can see right here is that price came back, price pulled back, continued on the upper side like that. And this was like our this was also the zone right here that price broke out on the downside. Price broke out on the downside, coming back to this level, and price couldn't touch this zone right here. So as the price couldn't touch that zone right here, so before that we have like a reversal around this level. So it's quite unclear in that regard. Like let's see if the price can actually like, it was a legit break around these levels. So if price pull back around this order block, we can expect some kind of reaction around that. So in that case, I would be like putting my alert right here. I want to like see that how the price actually forms the structure in coming day, that is Tuesday, because the idea is not to be in any kind of like hurry, because if there is some kind of trade, we're gonna like actually wait for it. On yens specifically, like we got a good reaction around this point. You can see that there's a breakout. Price was in the range for quite a long, and if we like really like study the range, it's around about like you can see that it's around about 18 days that price are started breaking out after 18 days. So on the other hand side, if we see like our current like daily structure, we have like placed our high right here, and most probably like the price gonna break out on the upper side with this momentum, if you can see right here. So I would be placing my alert on the top, just because like the high probability chances that price gonna like touch this high level. And if the price want to touch this high level, what we can do is like move our point upper level, that is ceiling, towards like this probable high. Right now it's here, so we can even like move it up to that level, because it seems quite legit as well. Instead, even we can even move it right now, because I believe that most probably like price would be like touching that level today. So in any case, if it happens, I want to like take the whole of it. So this is kind of like a structure which we are looking at right now. Let's see if the price actually like, most probably like this is also a demand zone right here. You can see, yeah, you can see like it's also a demand zone right here. So in that case, this alert would be fine for the understanding that as the price touches that level, how it would be reacting around that point. Yeah. Now, moving back to the Euro USD. Uh, Euro USD has given us a great momentum on the upside, and after having the momentum, it was like a straight reversal. See, the idea is that after the breakout that has happened around here, the price came back down here, and after coming back down there, price actually kind of like reversed like on a big reversal scale. It's like a V-shaped reversal or like that. But on the other hand, we do have like our levels being intact within this zone right here. So any kind of like retest can give us a move like that. We can some lock in some profits around here. So let's see that how actually this candles develop. On the other hand, we saw some kind of reaction around this point as well. So let's see how actually the formation occurs. Now this is your GBP. There are like certainly there was a trade that we actually like took and logged in some of the profits around that point, but on the current scenario you can see right here that after like coming back on the upper side, the price has been intact within this small range right here. Just a sec, guys. The price has been like intact in that small zone right here, so there's nothing that actually can be done right now until unless like price reach to this level and just show us a rejection like that. So nothing much to do in this. This is euro odd. Euro odd has been like euro odd was a good player, in the last stream when we just like had a stream like on Friday. This was the entry right here, and it kind of like hit the first profit around this level, so quite happy about it. But right now the price is actually like reversing. So in order, like if we get some kind of like, we can expect a move like that again in that regard. So coming here and going back like that, we can expect a push. But on the other hand, like the push wasn't that great either, like as it was in CAD at that moment. So if you see right here, this is the kind of the structure which I'm looking at right now. Price is coming back now and here. So any sort of the price coming back like that here, covering that area can give us a push like that. So let's see how actually price. I'm gonna like remove this level from here so that actually I have like a free mindset. So yeah, so that's it right now in it. On the other hand, if we see like Euro NZD, Euro NZD like had a good reaction around this point. You see right here, if we see like right here, we had like a liquidity grab, and after that price kind of like broke out of the structure. Right now it's coming back again. So let's see the and wait for the reaction. So this was like a simple structure on the moment. So it's look good, and it's look good and healthy. So let's see how things gonna run in this. But the structure is quite easy in a sense that you see right here. There was a break that occurred, and after the break, the price started like price came back down, formation of a peak formation low right here. See, and after that, the price is like right now retracing a bit. So let's see what kind of like reaction we can get. Hmm. Right here, there was a breakout. This is a breakout. This is a breakout. This is a structure. This is a structure right here. Anyway, not going into the deep details because we have been like constantly like making the videos on this, so it's fine right now. This is a structure which we are looking at, and there was a break. Some small order block right here. Demand zone, although like this is a demand zone right here, and right here. So in that case, what I'm just like thinking to remove this lever right now, so that I can actually, so that right now I can actually like have a free mindset in the sense that it's like so close, and price couldn't even like go downside. So how we are thinking about is, let's uh, let's see. So on in that demand zone, the price didn't even like reacted well, but yeah. So this is it, guys. There's a high likelihood that this is a low right now. The price can actually like come back like that around here, and then we can actually see the reaction, some kind of reaction around this like this, and then moving forward like that. So let's see if the price actually unfolds and come back down. On the other hand, what I'm just like looking is, this is what I'm looking at right now on the euro JPY. You can see right here is that this was our actually prime focus here. So as the price broke out of this level, price came back down, taking out the people who have like longed around here, shaking them out, and after that formation of the structure and price is like highly likelihood like price going to continue. It's an updated chart right now, so there are certain levels out here. You see like it's a good order block even like that. You see it's a supply zone, third time touch. So if you focus right here, like this is like a one time, this is second time, and this gonna be like the third time. So most likely like on the third time they break it up on the upper side like that. So let's keep it right here, and we can even like remove this. So this is how we are looking at it on the current basis. On the other hand, yeah, this seems more legit. The touch are real, but let's keep it clear right now. If there's a breakout in this regard around this level, so we're gonna get a good idea about it, because most likely with this momentum, price would be like taking out these highs. And the most important level which we have right now is this one, and on the higher side is this one. We can get some kind of reaction around here. This is how we are looking at the market right now. So there would be a high likelihood that price would be touching this level, and if we get some kind of reaction around that, makes sense. Euro CHF, although you see like this, how this beautifully this like order block actually reacted, and there are like a lot of wicks around here. See, if we talk about them, there are like, this could be our high section, this could be our peak formation, this was our peak formation, and this was our peak formation. So in that case, I would be like keeping it right here, because we do have some kind of more options around here. So even like if we see on the backside, there are more options up there. So I think so for the ease right now, we can only keep like that until the price reaches to that level. And you see like the reactions are not that clear, the swings are not clear. we do have like a lot of stuff up there. Even like this could be the potential high, this could be potential high, this could be a potential high. So let it be like that for a while. It's clear. Yeah, now this is Euro GBP. Oh, sorry, GBP USD. So similarly, like to the with the Euro USD, like you see right here, there was a breakout. Price is now pulling back, and we are seeing some kind of reaction around like this local resistance. Price can go up like that. So after that, we do have some kind of order block right here as well. We can see certain kind of reactions. Let's see how actually like price do the formation in this week. We do have like order block right here as well. So euro odd, sorry, GBP odd right here in front of us. There was a breakout that occurred. Again, price is retesting this level. Most likely price will be moving like that on the upper side. So there could be a reason for price not moving as quickly as it should have been, like gone on the upper side because of the CPI that is due tonight. No, so due tomorrow at 7:30. So in the evening of Eastern Standard Time. So see, right now if you see the structure is certainly like that, we can get a move like that. It could be a good candidate, and like we can keep an eye on it. It's a really fast moving pair and can like have really like small size of pips, so price kind of like can move. So in that regard, I would be noting it down because I currently feel that there is a good potential for GBP odd to keep the side on. Let's see. The logic behind for attraction is simple that you see right here. Hmm? You see like this is like a demand zone, and if this is a demand, this is a demand zone right here, and price came back down to this demand zone, exactly to this order block. This was first an order block and now it has become a demand zone. Like see, the first reaction of the order block was from here, and then it was the demand zone of the second retest, and now price came back up, and the reaction is not clear right now. I understand, even like price can come back down and further breakout, pull back, continue, something like that. So in that regard, I would be like keeping my eyes on it. Let's see how the reaction occurs. And you see, on the other hand, you see like this was the low point right here, and price is actually like, let me make it more clear for you guys. See, price is actually reacting around the same level right now. So and similarly like GBP and ZD, price cannot like break on the upper level. In just a sec. Yeah, and we did add some kind of like reaction around this. So the point of reaction is around here. The point of reaction is around this point. So price actually kind of like came back down to this level, holding like around here, broke out, can come down even, and then we can get a reaction on the top like that. It's not as clear. um, yeah, so most probably like the reaction which I was expecting around was this point, but price couldn't like come back down to this level, and kind of like stopped around here. Makes sense if the price has stopped around here. So pushed back, pulled back, moved up, like stopped, and this is like a level right now which we are looking at. So kind of like, yeah. Hmm. I don't want to like remove this level right now because I want like structure to fully develop. And there's another thing like really important that you see is a clear head and shoulder. Price push back down after the breaking of this head and shoulder right here. Right here we do have a neckline, and after the neckline broke out, price is coming back. There's a reaction which we got here, but most likely it's gonna push on the upper side like that. Hmm? Makes sense. Amazing structure from CAD JPY. We have been like I've been like announcing it like multiple times after this structure. I wasn't like expecting that kind of move, but happened so wonderfully. We do have like a high point right here, which I'm looking at right now. So most probably like the price would be going and breaking into that level. So on the other hand, for the sell side structure, I don't feel like there could be a pullback around this level, but there wouldn't be much of like a sell side move because of this wick, the wick candle, because you see price went up, came back down, pushed back so quick that they couldn't even like wait for another candle, and the buyers actually like jumped in so fast. So makes sense. It's the same thing right here. We I'm gonna remove this. No, I wouldn't be like I would be like bringing my alert right here. I'm gonna like keep it up here. I'm gonna remove this just because. Yeah. Now this is AUD USD. Kind of like stopping here. Let's see how actually the structure actually reacts for this. Yeah, so most probably like I was just like placed my alert right here because I was just like looking at this. I was hoping that price can actually like show us reaction around here in order to continue the upper trend each time. You see right here, like each time there's a break that are happening, seems like the price is pushing on the upper side like that. So in that case right here, if the price comes back even right to this point, but if the price kind of like breaks around this level, we can expect a move on the downside. But right now, not preferring to take a sell position. And even if the price comes here, it's not even like a big sell, which I'm like looking at with the structure. So in that case, I want to like remove this level so that I can get a better understanding that how the price is actually moving. It's a small order block right here, you see, and price is still giving some kind of reaction around this, something like that. Makes sense. Make quite a good sense right now. Took some liquidity from this point on the top, and all those sellers around here, and even like sellers around here might have like closed their much of a position. So if the price goes up back there could be a high likelihood the price can come down. So we can keep the eye on it. On the other hand, we'll keep a sight on it. JPYs have given a so JPY has given us a good reaction, so we can like look for the movements in there as well. You see right here the structure is taken, price did a breakout, pulled back inside, and now moving on the upper side like that. So we don't even have like a good peak formation high right here. So in that regard, let the price move towards this point, and we can take some kind of positions around here. So for that reason, I will be placing my alert right here, so that whenever the price reaches to this, we can get some kind of good reaction. Hmm. Breakout around here, came back down there, got some reaction around here with this kind of structure, but it's not much clear. And we did have some kind of like reaction around this neckline, but still it's in the range. Can't say for sure. And this is AUD, no sorry, NZD USD. We got some reaction around here, broke out, and right now we are getting some reaction around here. So price can go up here like that. So let's kind of like remove this, and instead of like this thing, place it like that. AUD, NZD CAD is more beautiful in the structures. You see like there's a structure break, there's a structure break, two consecutive structure breaks. And what ended up happening that this is the price where it held, moving up, and then again this is a price where it actually kind of like held. And yeah, let wait for the price to unfold. Good reaction, guys, from here. Something like this right here. Even we can even remove this right now to get a better understanding. It's kind of like a supply zone here. You see this, the reaction around here could be like used for this move, for this supply zone. Let's remove this, and I want to like see that if the price actually want to like extend, to what limit it kind of like extends, and can give us a move like that later on. Not clear. We are getting some kind of reaction around here, you see. This was our order block which we have like made it already. So breakout from this, we are getting some kind of reaction around here. Let's see how it actually works. So anyway, the idea is that this could be a move, something like that, because the breakout is like a lot bigger than our expectations. So if the price rejects around here, this would be more valid. I hope I'm making sense right now. this could be like a potential opportunity. CAD, JPY. Swiss, specifically not enough clear in the momentum. It's in the range. It's also moving towards the order block right here, Swiss JPY. We do can get a move in the Swiss right today because we do have like their CPI in the night. It's over. So, guys, the main momentum stuff which we've discussed right now is on the mixed level. You can see the way DXY has like been for making the formation right here. It's like super ambiguous right now. So in that case, I do currently like believe that price can actually come back down, taking the liquidity and then can move up like that. So this is the general idea and a quick review. So if there would be any trade, I would be like trading with sharing trades on the community as well. So it's basically for the learning purpose that how actually I can we can analyze without being fearful. No urgency to trade, and specifically like we want like setups to actually form, and then we should participate when there's an ideal position. So it's just a general idea for you for sharing with you guys. So anyway, guys, have a great day ahead and great trading day tomorrow. Most probably there would be trades out there, but we need to like actually plan them out ahead of our time. And we have done a lot of work today. Take care, guys.